Hey guys!
Today, we're gonna show you how
Today, we're gonna show you.
Hey guys! Today, we're gonna show you
Kind of toast that we got hooked.
Ever since we moved here in Canada!
Canada!